Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the clips.
Here's a closer look at the clips you need to remove. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
You're going to need to pull the inside out first, so kind of lift it up and kind of pull it out. And then the inside here is going to kind of slide out first. It can also get caught here on the bumper, so just be aware of that. You might have to kind of push the bumper in a little bit, but all in all, it's going to come off pretty easy for you here.
Disconnect the bulb housing. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Make sure any hoses or wires going to it are not pinched and it's positioned correctly. Replace the clips.
The shorter one is going to go over here. We want to make sure that it gets into this bottom part here, like that. And then this one here, what you want to do with this one is make sure that you're looking down in here, because there is a section and a specific angle that you have to put this in at, and you'll know when you get it in right, because it'll kind of lock in there. If it's not locked in there, you probably don't have it into the mechanism where it needs to go. So just be mindful of that while you're doing this.